Today we're going to explore the difference between no and not in British English. These little words can be tricky, but don't worry. I'll explain when to use each one and give you plenty of examples. Let's get started. When to use no? No is used as a determiner, an exclamation, or an adverb. It is used to negate nouns or to give a negative response. Examples for determiner. There's no milk in the fridge. No dogs allowed in the park. Examples for exclamation. No, I don't want any help. No, thank you. Examples for an adverb. I have no idea what you're talking about. There is no way that's true. So no is typically used directly before a noun to indicate the absence of something. It is also used in direct responses to questions or statement to express a negative answer or refusal. Let's have a look at some common mistakes. It is incorrect to say there is not milk in the fridge. It should be there is no milk in the fridge. When to use not? Not is used as an adverb to make verbs, adjectives, or adverbs negative. It's used to negate clauses or parts of clauses. Let's have a look at some examples with verbs. She is not coming to the party. I don't like coffee. I do not like coffee. With adjectives, this is not interesting. He is not happy with the decision. With adverbs, she does not sing well. She doesn't sing well. He is not often late. So not is used to make a verb, adjective, or adverb negative. It's placed after auxiliary verb or before adjectives and adverbs. Some common mistakes here for you. It's incorrect to say she is no happy. She is not happy or she isn't happy. So to summarize, use no before nouns and as a negative response, and use not to negate verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. Let's review a few more examples to make it clearer. There are no tickets left for the concert. No parking allowed here. He is not coming to the meeting. The book is not on a table. Now that you understand the difference between no and not, it's time to practice. So try making your own sentences using these words and share them in the comments. I'll check them out and help you improve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning tips.